Hello everyone, today in this video we will learn to draw face. And if you're already my friend, you know the drills. Grab your sketchbook and the tools and follow along with me. So, this is the reference that we will draw today. So, let's get started. Let's start with this step number 1, and that is simplify. Yep. Now, how I will simplify this reference? By simply breaking down into the big shapes. Now, to do that, I will first observe the reference, and now I'm observing, and now while observing I'm like found that this face is this sort of shape. I'm just like focusing on the big shapes. That's it. Yeah, I think yep. Yeah, I think this is the like yeah, I'm focusing on I'm drawing also the like upper hand, and yep, I think this is the like, and neck is over here. Yep, I'm just like observing and like imagining this part of, so yeah. And I will let me also draw the like the center line. I think this will be over here, and if you are like doing some mistakes, simply erase it. See, I think I've done mistake over here. I will simply erase it and I will draw it again. Okay, now I think we have done our like first step. Now second step, that is to look for relationship. Now while relationship, simply to draw the like to draw accurately, we are looking for a relationship. So first, now I will look for the eye. I will just see where the eye is located, and now by observing, I think the eye is like located just above. If we let me first like observe, and now I'm just see, I'm just tracing because I'm in doubt. So I'm just tracing and I'm pinching, and I'm like I'm measuring this distance to this distance, and I found that it just placed into the middle. Yep. Okay, that was quite interesting because I was thinking it will be a little bit up, so it is just like placed in like middle, and that's great. And now let me also like do some, yeah, I measure and it's right. And now after I got my eye line, see, first I look for the eye line. Now I will simply just like guess where the eyebrow will be, and I think this distance will work great. So if you just see from eyebrow to jaw, if I split into the like equal half, see, I will get my nose line. See, I'm looking for a relationship, and if I take the same like ratio up here, I will get, okay, I think I will get my hairline. See, I'm taking the same ratio from eyebrow to nose. I'm getting my like okay, let me simplify more in a great way. See, first what I done, I just from eyebrow to jaw, I divided into equal half. I got my nose line. Then I take the same ratio from eyebrow to nose, and I got my hairline. I hope you got the point. Now that's how I'm like looking, and here will be our hairline, and if I take the same ratio, this will be our hairline, this will be our hairline. So see, I got the relationship by just like taking the help of the features. I took the help of the features. I hope you got my point. If you have any kind of like doubts, if you don't get it right, if you don't understand, if you did not get the point, let me know in the comments. I will clarify even more. Okay, now I think we also look for relationship, and at this stage when I'm like looking for relationship, I also like to add like the third step, that is looking for an angles, like where the light and like the eye is like facing, like in this angle. I think the angle is straight, and also okay, and I will also look the hair angle, like where the hair is angled, in which direction. So I just like involve this third step into the like with the second step. Yeah. Now let me also draw the like here, it's straight over here, and yeah, there is some shape over here, the center hairline. Okay, yeah, see, I'm just drawing the bigger shape, and due to the hair, there's no need to draw here because it is hide underneath the hair. See, that's how I'm like drawing. I'm just like observing, and then the big shapes. So now I've like simplified. I also look for a relationship, also look for an angles, Now simply the last thing that remains to do is to draw smaller shapes. Yep, the smaller shapes means the features. Now I will start with the eye. So first let me draw the eyebrows. Yep, eyebrows. I'm drawing eyebrows. I'm looking for angles, the eyebrows angles also. See, that's how I'm like looking and like drawing. Okay, right now so I think here I will first also draw the nose. So to make it, and yeah, to make the process easy, because it will help me to get the things right. Now after that I will look for the, let me erase this all the stuff. So now after I also drawn the nose, I also like drew the eyebrow lines. I will look for the inner corner of the eye on the both side, and I'll just try to draw with that information. And simply now I will draw the eye shape. Very simple. See, and I will draw simultaneously, so to draw accurately. And now I will draw the eyeball. Okay. Okay, is there, if you're doing, if you think you have done some mistake, simply erase it and do it again. There's no same on erasing. Now I will draw the lower lid, I think. Yep, and also the upper eyelid. Also let me draw the, I think I drawn the like eyebrow little bit like lower. Yeah, and you see, I think I done this mistake. So simply I will take an eraser and I will erase it and I will draw it again. That's easy. So I will simply, I will just raise my eyebrows. See, very simple. And also I'm drawing the shape of my eyebrows. Okay, that's nice. Now I will just also draw this part. I'm just observing and like drawing. Okay, I think I done mistake. Let me do a little bit of undo. Yeah, this is the little bit advantage of digital drawing. Okay, I think I'm happy. Now also let me fix, see, I will now take the help of eye to see where the nose is like ending. See, I'm just taking the help of like eyebrow, and I think I've done pretty much right stuff. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. If you notice that a little bit ago, what I done is from eyebrow to jaw, I split it in half and I got my nose line. Now simply, now what I will do, from nose to jaw, if I like divide in an equal half and I will go a little bit up, I will get my like lip line, or you can say a mouth line. Now again I will take the help of see, I'm using eye as an anchor point. I also use the eye to find where my nose are. Now I will take the help of eye to know where the corner of the lips are. I'll just see, I'm taking help of the eye again and again, simply to get an idea. So I found the like corner of my lips, then I will simply draw it. See, as simple as that. As simple as that. Let me do erase. I think I've done. Yep, let me also reduce the size of my pencil. See, as simple as that. So that's how I draw. So now let me do some refining. I will add some more darker lines over the hair part, and also I will just like I will just now add some more darker lines. Like that's it. I'll add more hair strands, and yeah, I think that's the great stuff that I've done. And yeah, that's how I literally draw face. See, and I'm not aiming for like 101, like to draw 101 it takes more time. I have to observe more, I have to ask more questions to myself how the things are. Now I will also let me draw his like a waist, or you can say a shirt. Yep, hand is over here. So yeah, that's how I draw it. Let me also do some refining by erasing the inner lines. Yep, yeah, let me erase it to make it more like promising. And I think I selected a wrong like eraser, so yeah, now it's looking fantastic. I think, yeah, okay, I will just simply erase like inner stuff, like the first construction lines. Let me also erase from nose. Okay. So yeah, also let me do some dark, and let me also dark. I think I done some mistake over the eye part, yeah, with the eyeball. And simply see, if I am noticing, I'm simply like erasing, and I will look back and I will draw it again. That's the beauty. Simply erase it if you notice some mistake, and also dark the lines. That's it. And also let me draw some like the eyebrows. So yeah, I think done some extra stuff. Okay. Yep. Okay. No, okay, that's it. That's how I draw the face. And yeah, that's it in this video. If you enjoyed, I would highly recommend to watch this video where I have shared like how to draw the face from the front view. So go and give it a watch. Thank you for watching. Keep drawing. Bye.